Here's every step I followed to go from zero technical knowledge to building my own SaaS businesses online that make money with code. This is the approach I followed, and I genuinely believe that it will work for everyone if you just stick to it. It doesn't take years, it takes weeks and months maybe. Now, there are a lot of gurus out there who tell you that you don't need to know how to code anymore and you can just use ChatGPT, but that is simply not true. I mean, if you want to build a simple online calculator, totally fine. You can use ChatGPT for that. But if you want to build anything of substance, anything that actually solves a problem for a user, you need to have some idea of code. First off, save this video because I'm going to say a lot of words that you won't know yet and you will want to come back to it. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is learn the fundamentals of HTML and CSS. Think of HTML as the shapes and forms of a website and of CSS as the pretty colors and the styling of a website. And that's exactly what it is. You don't need to become an expert on either of them. So here's exactly what you need to do. Go onto any HTML or CSS course on the internet, doesn't matter which one, and learn until you get to Flexbox. Learn Flexbox, and that's enough. That's it. Stop at Flexbox. You don't need more. Then, once you're good with that, go and get any JavaScript course or just watch YouTube videos. JavaScript is a programming language. That's all you need to know, and you don't really need to think about the craziest programming language to use. Just go with JavaScript. Once you pick the JavaScript course, learn it until you learn fetch requests and async functions. Learn both of those and you're good. If the course is any good by the time you get to async, you're gonna be fine. Good enough for coding. So now when you ask ChatGPT for code, you will know what the code actually means. You have an idea of what it is giving you, and slowly you will understand when ChatGPT gives you bad code. The next thing you need to do is download cursor.com. It's an IDE. It's a place where you can write code. And here's where you want Cursor. So here's my code. Here's my chat with ChatGPT. So every single time I ask ChatGPT a question, it already knows my code base. So super simple, right? You don't have to feed it context all the time. And here's the most important thing. Whenever you ask ChatGPT for code, ask it to explain it to you. Don't become lazy. Don't just copy paste stuff. Ask it to explain it to you. You will learn. Trust me, over time. It's annoying, but you'll get there. And that is literally it. Just do this, then try to build your own project, the most random thing, and you will learn how to write code.